welcome back, Sowson here. Today I'm going to make a creamy, cheesy lasagna just for you. I am working with lean beef mince, mozzarella, cheddar cheese and Parmesan. We're going to put them all together, layer them up. Let's get started. Okay guys, just follow me over to the stove. We're going to start cooking. Touch of olive oil. If we separate now before it starts cooking, it's actually a lot easier. I'm adding chili and garlic. There's about 1 chili, 4 garlic, 4 cloves of garlic. Pinch of salt, pepper, and now we start cooking. Okay, it is coming to boil. I'm just going to add 2 jars of your Italian pasta sauce. Okay, I'm actually adding a little bit more water to this because I do want the pasta sauce to be slightly loose because I am working with dry lasagna sheets. Okay, the usual method of making the white sauce is with butter, plain flour and full cream milk. I'm actually going to bring the fat contents down by using corn flour and low-fat milk. We have I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of your corn flour, 2.5. I do have 2 cups of low-fat milk, but I'm going to add this slowly. Now, I know it's a little bit different to add the corn flour, but it does taste just as good, and it is gluten-free, so it doesn't feel so heavy on your stomach. Who says you can't have a low-fat creamy sauce? Now it's time for the layering. I'm going to put the first layer down, which is our sauce. We're going to layer this again, so we'll end up with 3 layers. We're going to wrap it in foil and in the oven. Over to the oven. Nice. Ow. Hot. Oh, yummy. Time to eat. Oh. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Woohoo! That's what I call creamy and cheesy. Like and subscribe, guys. Until next time, I have incredible meals coming up. Bye.